What's the meaning of camper van? Camper van. Camper van.
Camper van. Camper van. A camper van is a vehicle that has been converted into a living space for camping and traveling. The term usually refers to a smaller vehicle, such as a van or minivan, that has been modified with features such as a bed, kitchenette, and storage space. Camper vans can be used for short-term or long-term travel, and are popular among outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy exploring the great outdoors. These vehicles provide a convenient and affordable way to travel, as they combine transportation and lodging in one package.